Hi guys, welcome back again. So we just left out with the skeleton of Flutter BLoC in the previous video, don't we? So we just completed today in this video. Okay, so this is what the setup we were working on. So for your summary, we just had a block listener within which I told that we will be writing the push, that is the navigator, a push, that is the moving content to the next page, and we will be having a builder within which we will be checking whether the state is form loading. If it is so, then we will be returning a loading circular bar, or else we will be returning or we will be checking whether the form is in initial state. Then we will be returning in build initial input, which is a custom function. These are all the functions we need to develop in this video. Okay, build initial input is the function where we're gonna write the UI what we will be seeing as soon as the app get loaded. Okay, so let's just complete the loading widget first. So for your reference, let us give the state. So this gets printed inside the console so that you will be able to check whether it has entered this state. Okay, so let us return a center widget, okay, which has a child where we will be having a padding again takes the padding, which is const edge inserts, not all, it's symmetric. Let us have horizontal value as 10 and vertical value as somewhat 100. Okay, and with which we will be writing the child, which is the circular progress indicator. Okay, this is where we will be ending the return statement. Okay, align it. Okay, so we just wrote the widget that will be returning the circular progress bar indicator. Okay, so this state we will be calling whenever we will be switching between one event or one state to the next state. So whenever that is state change, we'll be having a loading widget. Okay, so inside the build initial input, let us have the UI screen. So let us return a column. So column take the children widget. Okay, the children what I am going to have is the first, let me give a size box. Size box with height as 50. Okay, later that let us have a text form field with decoration, which is the input decoration, which takes the label text. Let us give test name and hint text, hint style. Okay, hint style. Let us have a style for that. Okay, within which we'll be having a color, colors dot gray. Okay, and let us give a font size also. Sorry, within that let us give a font size. Okay, font size which is somewhat 16 will be nice. Align it. Okay, then in that text form field. Okay, so we just created a text form field to get the name and put copy it. So here let us have the city. All other things are same. Okay, so later that let us have a button. Okay, button to submit this form. Okay, let us write the button. Let me use flat button now. Stakes. Let us first give the color. First color is colors dot. Let me give us blue accent. Okay, and let us have an on press event. Okay, on press on press. Let me call block provider dot off of not off. It's first let me give the block name, the block which I have defined. Okay, so the syntax you need to know. Okay, context dot add of submit form of. Okay, all right, so I just navigate. I am just telling the block that I need to. I have just triggered the submit form event. So I have just defined the event here, submit form. Okay, so I'm just telling whenever there is a on press event on that button, I am telling the block that the event submit form has get triggered. Okay, so after that on press, let us give the text for the button which is submit. Okay, we want to have style. You can giving text style. Okay, text style. Let me give the font size as somewhat should be nice. 20 would be nice. Okay, and color as white. For that blue and white would be nice. Okay, then if you want to give us the shape for that button, you can just by using the shape that I give new round the rectangular border with border radius as border radius dot circular of with the value something 7.5. Nice. Okay, so now we have just created two form fields and a button, and we have just created or we have just used block provided for switching between the states. Okay, so now let's get up in this part. So we just need to return something because everything is inside a conditional statement. So if nothing gets satisfied, let us just return a loading widget. Okay, okay, so if the state is form loading, I will be returning the loading widget which I have defined here, and if the form block is in initial state, I will be returning the block initial function which renders the text fields and the button. Okay, so what we need to do now is, and if the form is loaded, that is if the form is loaded, I have actually told that we will be navigating to the next page. So the navigator the navigator function coding comes here. Navigator dot push off context command material page route builder jam context with my page to use the class name. Okay, to off, right. So we are almost done. Okay. So we'll be navigating to the next page, which we will be writing inside the listener. Okay, block listener. Everything is fine. The only thing is that you need to wrap that block consumer inside block provider, and you need to specify the block, which is my block. Okay, so you can align it. For this, you just need to have a create. So inside that create, let me return my block. Okay, with this we just complete the basic switching between the pages using block states. Okay, so this is what the state management of Flutter deals with. Okay, so it's pretty simple when you just have a hands-on with this. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.